video. Today I'm going to be filming some type of makeup look. I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I just decided that it's time that I do another video. I know it's been forever, but you guys know that so much has been going on with this pandemic, Miss Rona out here cutting up, causing all types of drama. And even before then, I was like, I need to do a makeup video. I need to come back because I really haven't done like a makeup tutorial. I can't remember. I think the one last one I did was my 2020 Glam, which was at the beginning of the year. I really can't remember, but it's just been so much going on. When I finally did decide to do a makeup tutorial, Miss Rona came out, and then Miss Rona came out, I get this huge pimple on my face. I'm like, I cannot film looking like this. It's finally going down. It's finally like where I can't actually cover it up, or it's not gonna be like coming through my makeup. It's just been a lot. It's just been a whole lot. I hope you guys and your loved ones out there staying safe. I hope you guys are okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and send some positive energy out for you guys. Make sure if you are quarantined, stay inside. Don't be stupid. Stay inside. So maybe the next 2 weeks or the next couple of weeks we can get out, because I want to go outside. I want to go out. I want to have some fun. So be smart and be safe. But for all you girls out there quarantined, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a look. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look at a makeup page and like try to get some inspiration from it to see what I'm gonna give you girls in the quarantine, something to look at, something fun. You know how it goes. So I did film me putting on this wig. I think it turned out really nice. It almost looks, you know what, I'm not even gonna lie, I was about to say that it almost looks as good as when my hairstylist does it. Let me not get to lying on camera. So anyway, it looks decent enough. I think I did a good job. I did film it. That video will probably be out after this one, so make sure you stay on the lookout for that, because this hair is everything. This is the best hair that I've had this year in 2020, hands down. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this look, honey. Let me put on my eyebrows and I will be right back. So my brows are done. I used the Anastasia Brow Duo powder in the shade dark brown. Ever since I've started using this stuff, it is amazing. I love the way my brows look ever since I've been using it. So definitely try this brow powder if you haven't already, because I love it. And I did prime my face already with the Too Faced Primed and Peachy primer. I put that all over my face, and I started doing it before I put on my eyebrows so that my brows can be primed too. So yes, so now I'm gonna get into some makeup, and I wanna do this look here. She has some jewels on her eyes. I wanna try that. I'm not sure how it's gonna come out. I'm real nervous because it might not look as cute as it does here. And yeah, so we're gonna see how this works. This is from Simone Beats Queens on Instagram. I saw it and I loved it, so here we go. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. It looks like she has like a nude eyeshadow base, and then she just put the jewels on top. I got some from Amazon. I hope these look okay, because these have like a weird tint to them. Well, child, we're just gonna see how this turns out. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35G palette. I love this palette because it has like all the nudes you ever need in here. So this should be pretty simple. We're just going to see how this turns out. I'm gonna start off with the shade up here, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. So now I'm going to use this, I think, to add some definition. It looks like a little bit darker than the first shade I used. So I'm going to like put that in my crease. Yeah, that's going to work. I'm putting that in my crease, and then I'm just going to blend it all together. And this is going to create a little bit of dimension there. And I'm just using this one brush. I love this brush. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. This is JH37. And you can use this brush for like everything. I use it for everything. Like, I don't change brushes like that. I just use it to blend everything together. All right, so it looks like she has like a nude shade on the eyelid. It's not super, super bright or anything. So let's see what I'm gonna do. Yep. So this is the shade I went for. Is this like more skin tone nude for me that I'm putting on the lid, and that looks a lot better than the bright nude. I'm going in with the dark brown now, and I'm just gonna blend everything together. So now we're going to bring out the jewels. It looks like she has some big ones and some small ones on her eyes, and I have different sizes here as well. Let's see here. Let's see what happens, y'all. I'm scared. I hope this turns out cute and doesn't look a hot mess. So yeah, these definitely have like a tint to them, like a color, whereas hers are just pure silver. I wanted just pure silver, but you know what? Everything is not gonna be 100% the same. And I like how she did like an ombre effect. She has like big ones at the bottom, and then she went up to like smaller ones. So that's what I'm gonna try to emulate. Okay, y'all, I sort of think like this is looking decent. Like, it's not looking horrible. Like, it's not looking terrible. Okay, so I have one eye done. Hopefully this turns out okay. I think it's not horrible. And maybe once I do like my whole face and put my lashes on, it will look a little bit better. Like, hopefully this isn't like a waste of my time and I'm doing this for like absolutely no reason. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other eye off of camera, and then I'll probably do my lashes off camera as well. I think the ones that I will be using today are the Clio Luxe lashes, and these are in the style Brandy. So I'm gonna put those on, and I'll be back after we figure this thing out. So we made some progress. My eyes are feeling super heavy. And not only are my eyes bejeweled, I do have on some super thick lashes. I actually ended up putting in the style Clio instead of Brandy. Same brand though. In my eyelash, I don't think I started the jewels high enough. They're a little bit too close to my lash line. Just take that one off. And hopefully I'm not out here looking wonky and crazy. Yikes. Okay, like I said, we already primed with our Too Faced Prime and Peachy primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and I am the shade NC50. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this foundation routine. So I'm going to be using my LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight. I use my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm just going to add a little bit of that. Contour, of course, I'm using my ABH foundation in the shade Ebony to contour. So to set my highlight, I'm using my Born This Way setting powder. I'm lightly setting my contour with the ABH bronzer. And now I'm going to bring everything together and snatch this whole face in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest. For blush, I'm using the MAC Brown Script eyeshadow. I'm going to be highlighting with my All Over Glow bronzer. And I'm actually going to put some on my cheekbones. I've sort of stopped doing this for like my everyday look, but I think for this we might need a little bit of pop on the cheeks. And we're going to go back in and blend that out. Of course, on the nose. And right here. So in the picture, it looks like she had her waterline done with just a black liner. I usually don't like that, but lately I have actually been filling in my waterline with black, and it looks pretty cute to me. So I'm gonna do that real slightly. I don't want a lot at all though. And I'm gonna blend that out with a brown eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the same dark brown that I used to put on my lid. Okay, so let me try something. So in the video, she has like sparkles in like the inner corner. I think that look might not be for me because everything is not for everybody, and I know that. So I don't think I want to do like the glitter in the center corner, I mean the inner corner of the eyes. I think what I want to do is just add like either a jewel, or I do have some really chunky glitter here. What I'll do is just add like one in the inner corner of the eye, just like one little glitter chunk. And the glitter I have is from Glow Up Academy. What I did was I took some of the chunky glitter that I have here, and I just took 2 pieces out with these, and I placed them in the inner corner. So I have one big one, one small one in the inner corner. Looks really, really good. I love how this turned out. Final step is lip gloss. This was a long time coming. This took a minute, but this outcome is too cute. It's 12 o'clock in the middle of the night. I want to like sleep like this so I can wake up and like go somewhere. But it really wouldn't matter because everybody's quarantined. So anyway, I have glitter and jewels everywhere, honey. But it's okay. So let me go ahead and put my lips on. I almost forgot to try this out. This is the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist, and this is going to be my first time trying it out. I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it after I use it a couple of times. You guys know I'm super oily, so hopefully this is the answer to my super oily skin. So we'll have to see. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. So this is the final look, you guys. I actually like this a lot. I thought that this was going to be a disaster and a complete waste of time trying to do something different and out of my comfort zone, but it actually turned out pretty darn cute, if I must say so myself. I thought I was going to hate the colorful jewels, but they're not half bad. I'm probably going to buy just some straight silver ones and do this look again because I like it. This might be like a birthday look, I don't know, or post-quarantine look, you know, popping out of quarantine. You know, we'll have to see. We'll have to see how it goes, but I love this. I hope you guys like it too. Make sure you check out the description box to see all of the products that I use. I'll leave the jewels that I use from Amazon down in the description box, as well as everything else, of course. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Leave a like if you like this video. Also, comment and follow me over on Instagram. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Anyway, guys, I'm done. Have a great night or a great day whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.